In this video, I am going to show you how to boost your Facebook page with Facebook ads in Nigeria, in any country you might be watching me from, or worldwide. Now, my name is Ayo, and I want you to understand that whichever country you might be watching from, this guide is going to work for you 100%. You'll be able to go from 0 to 100 to 1,000 and to 1,000,000 if you actually are determined enough. It all boils down to your budget, right? And doing the right thing. So my name is Ayo. Should in case you have any problem in following any step in this video, you can drop a comment on this video. Drop "Let's go Mr. Ayo" with that fire emoji. I'm waiting for you and I will reply you just to keep the fire going, right? And should in case you have any problem, you can chat me on WhatsApp. I will solve your problem right there on video call. Do you understand? So let me show you the steps on how to boost your Facebook page in Nigeria or worldwide, right? And let's get right into it. Steps are very simple but yet very technical, right? You're going to click on your Facebook profile, and once you click on the Facebook application, you open it, you're actually going to click on this 3- button on Facebook, or you might see it on the left or right. Just click on it, right? Then you're going to switch to your page. You're going to click on this drop down, this arrow down button, right? Then you're going to switch it to the page you want to use. Let's say I want to use Ayo is Marketing, right? And once you switch to it, you're going to click on this, your profile DP underneath the Facebook logo, right? And this is going to take you to the feed of your page. Do you understand? Now, on your page, you're going to see professional dashboard, and you're going to see advertise. So I want to emphasize on this advertise. You're going to be clicking on advertise, okay? So you can just see something on your own. You might see create ads, or you might see advertise, right? Any one you click on is still the same. So I'm going to click on advertise right now. Then you're going to see something like create ads, or you might be directed to the objective, different kind of objective you can select when you want to create your ads. So you're going to click on create ad, and this will take us to the main page where we are going to be, selecting the objective, creating our ad, and so much more like that. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to click on this pencil icon you see, and you can decide to use a post. Do you understand? That is already on your profile already. So you can click on use post and use any of your posts, or you can decide to click on edit media under use post button, and you're going to click on this choose media. You can decide to use your page images, page videos, add images, add videos, or camera roll. Camera roll means upload it from your mobile device. So you're going to go back, and once you're done, you save it and you go back. You understand? Then you can click on, what you're going to click on is get page followers. Remember, we want to boost the Facebook page to get more followers who are going to turn to real fans, who keep buying what you want to sell or watching your videos, should in case you want to monetize your page. So you're going to go down and you're going to leave this button as follow, right? Follow button recommended for this. So just leave it like that. And for this audience, please be very careful here. This is what is going to actually be the art of your page boosting, right? You have to get this very, very correctly. If you don't get the right audience, you will be getting audience that are not really interested in the type of content that you want, and you just want to put people who are just going to follow you, but they don't have interest in what you do. So you can chat me on WhatsApp. I can craft out an audience for you who will keep watching whatever you post. As soon as they follow your page, they'll keep binge watching your videos and they will expect more from you. So I'm just going to click on, if you want to create new, you click on this create new, create your audience, age, location, interest, and all. So I'm just going to click on anyone I've created here. So, and also you can also target people who already liked your page before, or people who like your page and people similar to them. Do you understand? If you already have big audiences which are not fixed, right? So I'm going to click on, you're going to see something like placement. It's already in Facebook, right? So you don't need to select Instagram or Messenger because those people are on Facebook. So for your daily budget, you can always adjust like this. So I'm just going to adjust mine to maybe 10,000 naira every single day. So yours might show in dollar. You don't care. You might use $10, $5, $20, $50, $700 per day, depending on how you want. So you own the power. So for this duration, you're going to see this plus and minus button, so you can decide to manipulate it if you want to run it for 3 days or 2 days or you want to run it for 8 days, depending on how you want it. So let's say I want to run this ad for just 2 days, right? 10,000 naira times 2 is that's 20,000 naira. So that's how you do the math, and you make sure that you have the fund in your payment method here. You understand? You have it available here. So you must have 20,000 naira here, irrespective of any days you go for. So once you are done with this, you're going to hit that promo button. You're going to see the total amount here, 21,000 naira. 21,500, 1,500 is actually the tax. You're going to pay for tax, right? When you hit promote, you're going to submit your ad for review. Once your ad is being reviewed and accepted, you start getting massive followers to your page, and all you just need to do is keep churning out content, and these people will keep binge watching, right? So I'll see you on the next video. If you have any problem with this, chat me on WhatsApp and drop your comment. Thank you.